Ever felt like your finances are a tangled mess? Like you're constantly chasing receipts, drowning in spreadsheets, and wishing there was a simpler way to manage your business's money? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into Xero, a cloud-based accounting software that's revolutionizing how businesses of all sizes handle their finances. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's address the burning question. What is Xero's main function? In a nutshell, Xero acts as your central hub for all things financial. Think of it as your digital accountant, automating tasks, providing real-time insights, and giving you a crystal-clear view of your business's financial health. Visuals. Split screen showing a chaotic desk with paper receipts and a clean, organized Xero dashboard. Now let's break down how Xero achieves this. 1. Automation is key. Xero automates many time-consuming tasks, freeing you up to focus on growing your business. Bank feeds. Seamlessly connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions. Xero automatically imports transactions, saving you hours of manual data entry. Invoice generation. Create professional invoices in seconds with customizable templates. Send them directly to your clients and track payments effortlessly. Expense tracking. Capture expenses on the go with the Xero mobile app. Snap photos of receipts, categorize them, and submit expense claims with a few taps. 2. Real-time insights. Xero provides you with real-time financial data, allowing you to make informed decisions quickly. Cash flow forecasting. Predict your future cash flow with Xero's powerful forecasting tools. Identify potential cash shortages and plan accordingly. Profit and loss reports. Track your income and expenses in real time to understand your business's profitability. Key performance indicators. KPIs monitor key financial metrics like revenue growth, customer churn, and days sales outstanding, DSO, to gauge your business's overall performance. 3. Collaboration made easy. Xero facilitates seamless collaboration between you, your accountant, and other stakeholders. Shared access. Grant access to your accountant or bookkeeper, allowing them to work on your books remotely and efficiently. Online invoicing. Clients can easily view and pay invoices online, streamlining the payment process. Real-time communication. Collaborate with your accountant in real time through Xero's built-in communication tools. 4. Scalability and flexibility. Xero grows with your business. Whether you're a freelancer, a small startup, or a large enterprise, Xero offers a range of plans to suit your specific needs and budget. But wait, there's more. Xero integrates with a wide range of third-party applications, expanding its functionality even further. E-commerce platforms. Connect Xero with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and eBay to automatically sync sales data. Project management tools. Integrate with tools like Asana, Trello, and Monday.com to track project profitability and allocate costs effectively. Payroll solutions. Xero offers integrated payroll solutions, making it easy to process employee paychecks, manage superannuation, and comply with tax regulations. Now, you might be wondering, is Xero right for my business? Honestly, Xero is a versatile tool that can benefit businesses across various industries. Freelancers and solopreneurs. Xero simplifies invoicing, expense tracking, and tax preparation, making it easier to stay on top of your finances. Small businesses. Xero provides a centralized platform for managing all your financial operations, from sales and purchases to payroll and reporting. Medium and large enterprises. Xero offers scalable solutions to handle complex financial needs, including multi-currency transactions, inventory management, and advanced reporting. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some happy Xero users have to say. Xero has saved me countless hours of manual data entry. I now have a clear picture of my business's financial health at my fingertips. Xero has helped me make more informed business decisions and grow my revenue. So, there you have it. Xero's main function is to act as your central hub for all things financial, automating tasks, providing real-time insights, and empowering you to make data-driven decisions. With Xero, You can say goodbye to tedious spreadsheets and hello to a streamlined, efficient, and insightful financial management system. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.